Greetings everyone, this is Tony Holowitz and thank you for being here for this quick tutorial on the startup screen for Act Premium Cloud. When you start up Act Premium Cloud, whatever screen opens for you, and in some cases the screen can be a little misleading or confusing because it's suggesting you have an error with something called the API connection. Regardless of what starts up for you, you can choose which screen you'd like to see when Act opens up. And that's a preference setting. So right now we're seeing the welcome screen in a demo database I'm using. But if you want to change that, you simply come up to Tools, you scroll down a little ways to Preferences. Once you get inside Preferences, you're going to look down to where it says Startup. I'm going to click on Startup. And the startup screen I like is the contact view. So here you can do the contact list, the detail. The detail is the business card. The list is all your contacts in a list in the list view. So right now it's starting up with the welcome screen, but if I want to do the contact detail, I choose that. I go down and click OK. When I get here, I click Close, and now when Act starts up, automatically it's going to go into the contacts view. I want to take you back to those preferences for just a minute, just to show you some of the options you have with the startup. When I go back to the startup, you're going to see when I click on this drop down, we have all kinds of options here. We have the calendar options, search, marketplace, automation, insights. You have a lot of options here. So this is just a simple tip to show you how to change your preferences for the screen at startup. Thank you so very much. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach back to me. Thank you. Bye now.